This is for my brother in prison. I know they say everything happens for a reason. Never trust nobody cause people be changing like seasons. I'm really hurting inside every day I look at your pictures. I see my mom and daddy smiling every day. They're trying to hide the pain, things are not the same. After 20 years it's time is drinking alcohol again. I guess it's trying to numb the pain. Look what happened feeling nzima. Some of the family members turning their backs. Icala livula ingubo ngene sonke sifunda ngamaphutha. I had a talk with your daughter ngibuza ubuya nini ngamtshela uzobuya maduze. Nami ngilane calling busy namadorho ngisalali nobuthongo ngicabanga ngawe lo khona sengifuna ukukubona ngikhathele video call. I pray to God, I hope you make you strong. I know you holding on, qina njengesosha. I reminisce back in the days when we were kids. People always thought ukuthi we were twins. Now we kings, we gonna get through this. Yo, there's a lot to talk about when we see each other. I know we don't usually tell that we miss each other. I'll forever be grateful to have you as my brother. Yo, we forever family like Wakanda. Daga baba uhlala wazi ngiyakuthanda. Konke lokhu kuzodlula, I swear, I promise.